Okay, so we have with us Hardik Tank, and he has a very interesting last name. Okay, so
Yes.
I think he's a very interesting guy, and I think before we began this podcast right now, I think me and Fazil, we were, I think we were the three of us we were discussing a lot about how life in Europe, like how his experience of having settled down in a European country, in a European Union country, to be very precise, because it's a Northern European country and it's a European Union country, and how he settled down in this country and how he was able to, if not survive, thrive in this particular country, and how he was able to do good for himself, right?
Yes.
And I think how me and Tank came in connection with each other was very interesting. I would like to admit that yes, I was very curious about this one country called Estonia, which was like this Baltic Northern European country, which
It's like on the map, if you see, it's a very tiny spot. If you look on the map.
It's a very tiny spot, and I was wondering, okay, this is something very interesting. There are some opportunities over here, and I was just considering, okay, what is this country? And I was purely concerned about that.
So yeah, I mean, of course, like my name is Hardik. I'm born in Surat. I'm a Gujarati.
Okay.
Raised in Valsad. It's just nearby Surat. I think just 1 hour drive. I studied there, my academics until 10th. I was there, and my elder brother Rahul, he was very much fond of that we should always move for a better education to some city. And first he moved to Bombay, and then myself and my twin brother Abhishek, we were like we didn't want to leave our friends. We just wanted to be in Valsad. We just wanted to hang around. We were like, those log chhoot jayenge. But I mean, what time for you, the most important thing is you just want to be around your friends, the same vibe, right?
Yeah.
बाद में parents decided, chalo, oh yeah, now let's get serious in life. So Bombay experience has been amazing. Like ever since that, a time we were in Bombay, did my college there, worked there, and then that's pretty much it, and that's it. And one day I felt that I should think about some international exposure. People are moving overseas, so I had a really good friend back then. She was in US, and she thought that Hardik, you should think about something to just sochna chahiye. Why don't you move to US? Why don't you move to Canada? Yeah, I was like, but how is the whole process? It's very tedious, and I'm a lazy kind of person. I really don't want to do if I follow karo, documentation karo, stamp karo, what is all this? So at the same time, you have to invest money, time, and मुझे लगता था it's such a blind shot suddenly moving to a different country. Like how am I going to cope up everything? लेकिन जब मैंने उन लोगों को देखा easily coping up, तो मैंने उनको पूछा like how is it easy for you? So their statement was when you move to any country overseas, for example USA, Canada, there are a lot of things that is very easy. As simple as commuting from home to university back. The quality of life is different. You get what you pay for, and you really begin on a new horizon altogether. You start thinking from different perspective because of diversity. Of course, अभी मैं Bombay में हूँ, तो I cannot expect कि the people around me will be from Germany, US, Canada, France. ऐसा नहीं होता. But when you move out, you actually start living with these people, and that changes the mindset. For example, जब भी आप खुद के society में हो, तो you think from maybe 5 perspectives. But then when you meet a lot of people from different country, then it makes you think that ऐसे भी हो सकता है, ऐसे भी सोच सकते हैं.
Different perceptions.
Yeah, it makes you very flexible. So these kind of experiences जब मैंने सुने, I was like, I mean, this is also one part of life, man. And I was like, ठीक है. And then one day she made me have a conversation with one of her professors.
अच्छा.
I spoke to them, about my background and what am I willing to do ahead? Where do I want to see 5 years down the line? And then professor said that give me a week of time. And then my friend, she got in touch with me again, and she was like, dude, you should actually go to Canada. There's this university and stuff like that. So that's how my international career pursuit started. I started researching universities. I started researching which province is better.
Right.
I was really surprised when my friends were applying to universities in US. अब उन लोग ये भी चेक करते थे व्हाट इज द क्राइम रेट इन वन ऑफ दो स्टेट, उसके हिसाब से उन लोग यूनिवर्सिटी लेते थे. मतलब ये भी चेक करते हैं. I was like, पढ़ाई करने जा रहे हैं, क्राइम रेट चेक कर रहे हैं. It makes from some perspective. But yeah, then Yeah.
So one thing, my friend Fazil is also studying in US, so he can relate to this.
I can relate to this. मैं क्या सर्च किया, स्कूल छोड़ दो, पहले तो ये सर्च करो थिएटर, मैकडॉनल्ड्स कितना दूर है अपने जगह से where you're living. For me that was the concern. हाँ. But this is common.
How long were you in US? How long were you in US?
How long? अभी 2 साल ही हुए पढ़ के, so 2 years you could say. It's on and off because I come here for holidays and then.
Which part of US were you?
Buffalo, New York State, Buffalo में. So वो Niagara Falls के आसपास. Buffalo नाम सुना नहीं होगा, but.
वो सुना. So Niagara Falls के आजू-बाजू.
Niagara Falls के आसपास ही. Buffalo, even I didn't hear when I went first time when I went to Niagara Falls, मैं भी नहीं सुना. That's why I assume कि no one might have heard it.
अच्छा. Yeah, that's how I started, and उसके बाद I started applying to university.
Achha, wait. One thing is, before I wanted to interview him because you have an interesting story about your immigration process, and I think that's one of the questions we have lined up for you. I think you know that's one of the questions we have lined up for you. So like, save the story over there, okay?
Okay. The immigration, but an automatic question, you know, after you mentioned how you started researching about these countries and everything, how did you reach up to Estonia or Estonia, however you pronounce that?
Yeah, Estonia. Yeah, I mean, it was. I mean, see, to be honest, I was rejected twice by Canadian immigration.
Achha.
Yeah, the reason why I was rejected was because my entire experience has been into investment bank back then, and I was very much passionate about digital product design. So I was applying to a digital product design program. University accepted me. My motivation letter was fantastic. They had some interviews, couple of interviews lined up. I cracked them successfully. Wow. So you know, there's this process. If you are rejected by the visa officer, you pay a few dollars, and the same visa officer will reply you back the reason on what grounds did they reject you, right? Because I wanted to know. So बाद में पता चला my entire experience has been in investment bank, and I was willing to apply. I mean, I was willing to study something in design, which has no correlation between both of them. And on those grounds, you will not return back to your country because your purpose is not to study in Canada, but it's just to settle, which they really want international students, you know, to do at the very first step because you're academic. You are applying for the academic purpose.
Right. So
once you get rejected, now the probability of getting successful is very limited. मैंने सोचा चलो भाई अभी let's take up boring management studies. It's boring for me because design is something else and management is something else.
Definitely.
So, of
course, good to know that you are a designer too, because I am also a ex-graphic designer.
क्या बात है, तो ये सारी हरकतें आपकी है YouTube पे.
Yes. Very much.
So you studied graphic design in the US or that's the site?
सीखा विगा नहीं है, it's just self-taught.
Self-taught, yeah. So yeah, that's how it happened. उसके बाद I got in touch with my really good friend Arpit. He's in Poland actually. Once you make your mindset, you are like, you have to go somewhere. Started listing Australia, New Zealand, and map पे, ठीक है?
फिर एक छोटा सा डॉट दिखा यूरोप में. ये डॉट क्या है? ये डॉट क्या है? हाँ.
The thing is, I got in touch with Arpit, and Arpit was of this opinion. Before I begin answering your question, tell me what's the purpose. मैंने बोला देख. What do you want in a country? I was like, I want startups. Like,
this is a good friend. I feel like this is very on the point question he asked. Nice.
Yeah.
Shout out to your friend.
Yes.
Yeah.
Shout out to your friend.
Yeah. So yeah, I mean, he asked me, you know, what's the main purpose? I was like, country that is startups, because at the end of the day, digital product design is something of my interest, and I would like to pursue my career in that industry.
Right.
So he was like, okay, I'll get back to you in a week of time. And then in a week of time, he was of this opinion that, dude, I met a couple of people while I was doing some internship, some project, and they were from PayPal engineers working for PayPal, and they are of this opinion that with regards to your interest, I think Estonia is something you should look forward to.
अच्छा.
क्या? What's the spelling? मेरे को ऐसा ही था. मैं भी पहली बार सुन रहा हूँ. तो उसने मेरे को भेजा. बाद में the moment I googled, the first thing I saw was Skype is from Estonia.
Exactly.
It sold me. I was sold. अभी मेरे को second important thing that I wanted was सबसे बढ़िया मेरे को business school चाहिए, क्योंकि अभी I cannot afford to apply for design again and you know get rejected.
Right.
लेकिन अभी तो business study करूँगा from a top notch. That's it. मेरे को और कुछ नहीं चाहिए. So I found Estonian Business School. Estonian Business School was fantastic. They wanted the eligibility itself was very assuring कि भाई ये बहुत सही है. 2-3 साल का work experience चाहिए. Interview होगा. They will ask you so many things, and the remaining universities never had this thing.
अच्छा.
That time. मतलब एक simple था, लेकिन they never had this thing, this eligibility कि भाई तेरा work experience 2-3 साल का होना चाहिए. तो ये मुझे ज्यादा कॉम्पिटिटिव लगा ना. आई वाज लाइक भाई एकदम सीरियस है. फिर वेब डिजाइन साइकोलॉजी होता है ना, आपका पूरा वेबसाइट को स्कैन करते हो, हाउ द वेब डिजाइन लुक्स, इज इट नॉट, यू नो, हाउ आर द फॉन्ट्स, हाउ इज एवरीथिंग.
राइट.
तो वो सब हुआ एंड दैट्स हाउ आई अप्लाइड एंड इट हैपेंड. अभी हो तो गया. अभी घर वालों को कैसे बोलो कि मैंने कहाँ अप्लाई किया है, व्हाट इज एस्टोनियन बिजनेस स्कूल, तो मैंने कहा होगा वो अलग से होमवर्क करना पड़ेगा मेरे को. So yeah, I told that. They were also of the same opinion. क्या है? Where is this? And I was like, it is somewhere, but it is good. European Union में है, यूरो में होगा जो भी होगा. Yeah, that's it. So that's pretty much it. That's how I landed here. Yeah, answering to your question.
So you said now it's almost 3 years for you that you've settled there. 3 years.
First also this year I will complete like 3 years being away from family, being away from India, being away from everything, festivals and everything. Yeah.
So you've never visited India in the past 3 years, or?
I wanted. पहली बार क्या हुआ ना, पहली बार when I wanted ना, तो मैंने घर पे फोन किया. You know, mummy, yes. How do you think about this idea? If I visit just for a month, no, you have to complete your graduation and then only you come. I was like, ठीक है.
Oh, अच्छा. She was like, अरे तू उधर ही है. अच्छा.
She wants me. She's also missing me, but she wants me to complete everything. मतलब at least पहला जो objective है, complete your graduation.
हाँ.
And my twin brother Abhishek is of this opinion. Hey, nothing I want to. नहीं, complete कर सब कुछ उसके बाद. I was like, ठीक है.
अच्छा, I forgot to ask, you have a twin brother, is it?
Yeah, but we are not identical. We are like, I'm 20 minutes elder to him, he's 20 minutes young. But अगर उसको बाजू में बिठाऊंगा ना, he will look more elder to me.
अच्छा.
Okay.
ये उसको मत दिखाना, ये वाला पार्ट वीडियो पे.
Yeah. तो अरे बाबा, I should rather show you a photo, man. Like like actually मुझे बोलना भी नहीं चाहिए था. I should have asked for your opinion actually. Say that's दिख रहा है अच्छे से. Yeah.
Oh, there's a lot of difference. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Abhishek का मतलब he is on a next level. But yeah, so yeah, that's how Abhishek told me. तो मैंने सोचा भाई अभी वो होता है ना अमेरिका गॉट टैलेंट में 2 नो आ जाते हैं तो आप तो डिस्क्वालीफाइड हो जाते हो. ये वो वाला सीन था. तो
Okay, moving on. Just moving on one to the most important crunches of our podcast is about. I think this might be foolish to talk. The thing is, the first thing that I spoke to Hardik Tank was, the first thing I spoke to Tank was about, what is the immigration about Estonia, and I've been very curious to know why is there so much interest about why Estonia is trying to bring in a lot of people to their country, and why are they so audible to more and more startups to be grown in this particular region, right?
Yeah.
And why is it the case right now? What do you think, in your opinion, has been the rise of Estonian relevance in the European Union right now, and further on in the world globally as well? What do you think about that? Yeah.
5 सवाल पूछे, इतने वाइज पूछे. मैं बोला कौन सा वाइज शुरू करूं? मतलब मैं सोच रहा था अभिनव रुकेगा, पहला वाई पूछने का मैं जवाब दूंगा. Why this? मैं बोला 5 वाइज. Let's break it down. For example, I'll share like why Estonia is better for people. Correct. Right? So if you are a techie, you can be a data scientist, you can be a person working in artificial intelligence, you can be a developer. As simple as भाई तेरे को Java Python आता है.
तो मतलब it's like more tech related. Tech side में बहुत है.
Tech related, I would say. Tech related.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So they appreciate a lot of people who want to do their startups. For example, recently I registered a company. Okay. I registered a company. I started registering at 2:00 in the afternoon.
Right.
3 घंटे का application हो गया. 1 घंटे का process था online so and so. Next day I receive an email that it's been approved. The company is registered.
Yeah.
Now I'm applying for my VAT and my business account is open. It's very quick, super quick. Okay. Now this is one example how they appreciate people who want to do their startup. This is very best example, right?
Okay.
The thing is, just for example, ये Baltics में Estonia is known to be a Silicon Valley.
Yeah. It is.
So there is this area called Telestili. And you can literally on a weekend or on a Friday, you can hang around and you can meet so many developers, product designers, product thinkers. What's the next big thing? Problem solvers. You get to meet a lot of people. For example, there is this co-working space called Lift 99. So I spent some more time over there. I connected with a lot of people. Someone is coming up.
So what is it, like a center where all these people meet, or how?
So basically Teleskivi is a place where you can go and have a you can enjoy drinks and have a really good music. You can have a burger. You can have nice shawarma. You can just relax. You can, if you have a pet dog and you just want to sit in the sun, that's a nice place.
Right.
You can. It's a nice photography location as well. There are a lot of graffitis everywhere. So, matlab, it's like it has graffiti. It has every vibe. Okay, it has literally every vibe. You want to go to a bar. For example, you have a meeting with a client. You want to go to have a bar and have this silence at the same time. You want light music. You also have that. You want to go to a place where there's rock music, metal. It's also there. So it's a nice combination of everything, and there are a lot of startups who work around that telescopy. So you get to meet people as well. Yeah.
Okay.
Achha.
So
it's good for techie who wants to, for example, both of you, I believe, are from IT right now. Like you're studying programming,
no.
or is it just
no, I'm the only one.
Abhinav is the one. Abhinav is the one.
Yeah. वो वाला.
Yeah. But I'm doing architecture. I'm 2 years now.
My brother Abhishek is an interior designer.
अच्छा, great. After this, we'll उसका भी podcast का लिख ले, उसको list में add करेंगे हम लोग अभी.
I mean, he has a lot to talk on design, man. I used to love.
I can imagine he has a lot to talk. Yeah.
I mean, so for example, like Abhinav, right? So the best reason why I would say you should think and look forward to Estonia is because this place allows you to work full time and study full time. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. It's unlike Canada, जहाँ पे बोलते हैं, I mean, they have these rules that you can only work 20 hours a week, right? You cannot exceed.
Yes.
So there are a lot of cases of deportation of international students who ended up working more than the regulated number of hours, right? So over here, you can work full time, even if you have full time study, provided it doesn't affect your ECTS, your credit.
Yeah. Credit score. Yeah.
If you can manage, it's fantastic. And additionally, if you are into IT, you will never have to wait more than 2 months to have a job working in the tech field. Yeah. For example, you come here, you apply for temporary resident permit, right? First, because temporary resident permit आपको चाहिए in order to legally work here, right? So once you have that in the span of 2 months, आपका already इतना connection हो जाता है if you're a talkative person, ठीक है? And if you come to Estonia and you meet a guy like me, I will make you connect with a lot of potential people जहाँ पे कुछ आपका हो सकता है.
Right.
Now I know why Tank is surviving in Estonia.
That's it.
So so that's how it is, and it's pretty exciting, and something that was very new to me. जब मैंने Estonia पर किया था. The transportation.
So it's a very upcoming country, you mean, in general.
Yeah, the transportation is free of cost over here.
Oh.
Yeah, the trams and buses, everything. Yeah, you just have a nice this card, the transport card, and that is linked to your temporary resident permit. This one, yeah. So this basically
that's good.
जब तक आपका resident permit valid है, तब तक ये valid. It's and the best part of Estonia is that it is so online driven.
Correct.
Voting is online. Everything is online. Baba, can I? It was surprising to me. जिस दिन मैं business account open कर रहा था, तब मैंने सोचा कि यार मैं अभी तक बैंक कितनी बार गया? It's going to be 3 years. I never visited bank. Never.
अच्छा, physically never.
Never. It was just, I don't know, like मुझे लगा इतने सारे situations that I've never been to a bank. It's so cool. Like, it's very seamless. It's super. But this is where I actually experienced what is a paperless banking. What the paperless bank look like. What does it feel like?
This country sounds like Singapore of Europe, just like because Fazil is very fond of Singapore as a country. And he's this, like, I can picture Singapore and Estonia to be very similar and
very advanced in terms of technology.
And the culture. And the culture.
Okay. Yeah. And also the thing is, Estonia it's the reason why it's called Silicon Valley and why people come here to develop their business and product is because it's a government is so flexible to give you a ground to test your product. So basically, there is this company called Starship. Starship is basically, it's like they have this nice robot vehicle. So basically, you order something, the guy will put in that robot. You just open the basket, and the robot is going to drive itself.
अच्छा.
It's like unmanned. Yeah, COVID के time पे तो बहुत सही हो गया था ये. Nice. Basically, मैं ये सोचता था कि यार, I'm not going to wait for so long just to order a burger. Okay. So one day I was talking to that guy who was near the robot. He was a robot operator.
अच्छा.
He told me that Estonia we are just testing the product, but our biggest market is US.
For sure.
US, because like you studied in that university, you know how big of a campus is.
Yeah.
Correct.
So in big of a campus, they have these robots going everywhere. So एस्टोनिया में इट्स अ टेस्ट ग्राउंड, ठीक है.
हाँ.
फॉर एग्जांपल इधर इट्स वेरी सरप्राइजिंग. What was that product? It's AVU Tech. Okay, AVU Tech is basically unmanned vehicle, unmanned taxi actually. They have started. They are going to start this service next month. You go on an app, you order Uber. वैसे तू वो गाड़ी को तू बुला, पिकअप एंड ड्रॉप लोकेशन डाल के गाड़ी अपने आप चल के आएगा. तू अंदर बैठ, कोई नहीं है, गाड़ी अपने आप ड्राइव करके तेरे को लेके जाएगा.
What is it? Some collection of Teslas and all?
Yeah, but Tesla में फिर भी you have someone operating, right? को steering wheel पे है. इसमें steering ही नहीं है. They just have 6 seats inside.
Oh.
Yeah. So to this extent, the Estonian government supports people's innovations.
That is incredible, dude. It's going to go in service next month.
Yeah, and it's going to go service from in a very limited zone. So basically, that's what government does the best. They will give you one specific zone. आपका गाड़ी is either, for example, is going to be from airport to some location inside. It's not going to be 1 and 2 anywhere in the city, so that they can test the data sets and lot of stuff. Right? They are testing the product. On the other hand, there is a team of innovators who have started building self-drive bus.
What?
So this is
These are all those fancy concepts we used to watch on videos. In reality, इधर होता है. So we discovered the place for all these concepts in reality now.
Yeah, so it's beautiful. Like it was an eye opener. It's so fantastic. It's pretty cool. Yeah,
correct.
Then I would have imagined something like an electric car would have come like 10 years ago there in Estonia. I feel like.
Yeah, I mean, पहले था इधर. I think Norway कैसे subsidy देता है. Norway कैसे subsidy देता है that you just have to pay less to own a Tesla, which is super expensive. Norway gives subsidy. नॉर्वे में ग्रीन टेक है. नॉर्वे में मतलब जितना तुझे इधर गाड़ी दिखा, नॉर्वे में तेरे को टेस्ला बहुत दिखेगा. नॉर्वे तो दिखेगा ना, लॉट ऑफ टेस्लास बिकॉज़ द गवर्नमेंट गिव्स सब्सिडी. Maybe 60% of the price and you just pay 40% of the price. So that influences your buying behavior. Na? So that's how it is.
It's a very funny thing. It's a very funny thing. Just about Tesla, I would mention ki Tesla is an American company, and I mean originally you would like to see more Teslas in US. But I think it's more popular in the European countries. The Tesla and electric, the option they give.
Yeah, but
Norway's, quite.
But the thing is, Tesla का जो optimum features का जो utilize होता है ना, that is in California.
हाँ.
Okay, हाँ.
मतलब you can वो if you're in California, that Tesla is Tesla actually. The proper जो Elon Musk का vision वाला
Tesla. The vision Tesla. Yeah. I get what you're saying.
मतलब as simple as using a feature on your phone. मतलब तेरा टेस्ला तेरे घर पे है, तू टैप कर टेस्ला अपने आप ड्राइव करके तेरे ऑफिस के नीचे आ जाएगा and you just drive in it. That's the thing, बाकी तो there are restrictions, of course.
For sure, correct. Yeah.
So that's all about I think Estonia जो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा in my experience. And yeah, that's pretty good. And it's also really easy to get a scholarship.
Okay.
Scholarship in education or?
Yeah.
Education.
So I started my first semester. semester. So email आया to all the international students कि भाई would you like to apply for Dora? So the scholarship is called Dora Plus Scholarship.
Okay.
The Dora Plus Scholarship, if you get selected, which your chances are high if you're in a really good university like an Estonian business school, which is super good. I think Estonian business school in Baltics is like a London business school, you can say. The supervisors, the professors, the visiting faculties are CFOs and CEOs and CEOs of different really good reputable startups.
Right.
They give you management studies, like what is the market from their perspective. That is interesting.
So now I'm thinking, if I'm thinking of doing MBA, because we had this casual talk, me and Abhinav, we're like, ek bar MBA we also have to try, because it's important for your life, just generally the amount of learning.
10th
हो गया, 12th हो गया, B.Tech करना है, ये bachelor's करना है, उसके बाद.
Exactly. And we were just having this conversation, but you've given us, I think you've indirectly told us कि where you should do your MBA.
मतलब एक ही चीज, see MBA management studies to जाएगा, they will teach you the same thing, 4P, Philip Kotler का 4P formula, product, price, placement and promotion.
Yeah. I mean, I've heard of it. Yeah.
Who teaches you 4P is interesting. That's why you choose a better business school. Getting me? That's why you choose a better business school. Their driven real-time experience of 4P is why you choose a better business school. Yeah.
Right. Makes sense.
Achha, one thing I was a little curious about was, in your answer, like, shortly before you were mentioning that Estonia as a country is like a playing ground. It's like a playing ground for a lot of products that deserve attention to, which could have been produced which was being introduced in another country, but it's getting that playing ground in Estonia, right?
Yeah.
Why do you think Estonia is willing to do this? Like from your experience of having interacted with the locals and your friend circle, why do you think Estonia is the perfect place, and why did they create that space for this area, at least for the moment?
Yeah.
Okay. इसके लिए मेरे को एक्चुअली गूगल करके एक वो इन्फॉर्मेशन लेना है which is very nice, which is I love this question actually. It has a मतलब when did they introduce this? Let me
Okay.
yeah.
कोई बात नहीं, कट करेंगे ये चीज, कोई बात नहीं.
We'll put that thing, no? We'll put that thing in the middle जहाँ पे आता है.
Well, because the thing is मैं इतना ज़्यादा legit information देना चाहता हूँ ना, so I'm doing my थोड़ा सा analysis.
हाँ, we'll put that thing, no? Where it says few hours later. वो ऐसा.
Few hours later. Few hours later.
Yes.
So yeah, as per the stats, for example, Estonia started using internet voting, online voting in 2007. ठीक है.
Okay.
And yeah, and e-residency जो program है, number of e-residency that you can take e-residency. For example, Fazal, आपको इधर restaurant business open करना है, तो आप after this call also you can get e-residency online by yourself उधर बैठ के, and you will get e-residency card as well that allows you to provide and receive services. No, that allows you to provide your services.
Yeah.
Without me living there for one day also. Residency, e-residency.
Yeah. क्योंकि उसमें कुछ FAQs होते हैं. What is the reason why you're applying? What is the reason? This, XYZ. मतलब it's a lot of मतलब there are a lot of information actually if you go through it. But yeah, e-residency तेरे को इधर आने की जरूरत नहीं है, तुझे उधर से भी मिल जाएगा. And after that you open a business account and you visit and then you open up your business and everything.
Yes,
yeah, so that's how it is. So yeah, 2007 में they first went digital. And e-Estonia बोलते हैं, right? They don't say Estonia. If you go, the marketing is like e-Estonia because everything is very online.
Okay.
Yeah.
Amazing.
And ये digital boom हुआ ना. This I think because of this digital boom, उन लोग का एक focus था that let's set a benchmark. Let's do something in the tech ecosystem. And ever since that day, I think they have evolved a lot around tech. And just recently, the founders of TransferWise, which is a huge company today, it's Wise now. So TransferWise, Bolt, and there are a lot of different successful startups. The CEOs came together. They made a curriculum. Now the thing is, it's any student or anyone who wants to succeed in life, he should be a developer. He should know some programming language. Okay? That's the thing. That's the mantra, right? So they came together. They designed a curriculum, and for free of cost. Just to get an entry, you have to do a lot of tests. Okay? So if you follow that, if you get selected, 3 to 4 years down the line, you become a full stack developer. So they want to develop full stack developers in their country.
Okay. Okay.
They are influencing people. So this is the best way. They are going to design the curriculum how a person should learn coding rather than going to Udemy, rather than going to. मतलब उनको पता है as a geek कि भाई कैसे कोई सीख सकता है and कैसे कोई full stack बनेगा. Right? So I really like this motivation that they have towards society, and वो चीज ने मतलब I've literally learned that this is how you give back to the society, at the end of the day.
Correct.
So these are some things that has motivated and inspired me, and these are the reasons why for me Estonia is at a different level. I understand it's not the Silicon Valley, California, but
it's getting there. It's getting there. Yeah.
Good. Yeah.
So Abhinav बोलेगा I'm sold. Right? Actually, I can say I fell in love with Estonia twice before applying. One, when I understood Skype is from Estonia and it's very startup.
Okay.
And second is the way I applied. Dude, I'm just saying it very carefully. While I was applying to Canada, Canada में क्या होता है? I applied to Humber College, I applied to Algonquin College, I applied to Seneca. Vancouver. तो ये सब colleges में जब मैंने apply किया था, so how the admission process is कि आप वो university में apply करते हो ना, तो वो university के उधर आपका account create होता है.
Yeah.
वो account credentials आपके Gmail पे होता है. So one Gmail, I had to keep checking whether any of these or either of these universities replied asking for any information, right? So it's very tedious. और आपके एक Gmail में you also have this marketing emails that comes in every day. Every morning I do a lottery of 5,000 euros, 10,000, 1 million. So somebody, this cliche.
Yeah.
The thing
Scam.
is, so as an international student, you always have a fear of not missing out on any information, on any deadlines. That's the most important thing.
Right.
When you आप online मतलब कहीं भी international apply करते हो कि आप कोई deadline miss ना कर दो.
Exactly.
कुछ over हो जाएगा. So that was one thing, and that experience was like ठीक है, सब लोग का है, वैसा भी है. But when I applied to Estonia, I called up my university in Estonian Business School and asked them like, hey, I'm so interested and looking forward to this study program. I want to apply. So what's the process? They said, the thing is, you cannot apply directly through our website. You will have to go on one website where you will understand by yourself how to apply.
Like a portal. Yeah.
Now, my Canadian study application process का जो experience था, compared to this, तो मैं सोच रहा हूँ वो already it was very confusing. I still managed to do it by calling and talking to so many people. ये अभी Europe पे ये तो क्या next level होगा? I just sent the website. It's called dreamapply.estonia. Dreamapply is the name of the platform.
See, now to he's given website also. First he said do MBA here. Up to he's telling also which website to apply.
Yeah. So वो website कैसा है? It's like one umbrella under which you have all the universities. खत्म. To search में लिख MBA तो relevant MBA in marketing तो relevant universities with the study program will only pop up in
just for the country Estonia.
Yes. Just like computer science हो कि फिर biotechnology हो. You do not you do not have to know name of the university, which ideally is the case with every candidate, right? आपको सब नाम पता नहीं होता unless you have exposure, unless one of your friend or family member has been to Canada for long, right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
They knew this pain point. They made it so seamless. मैंने documents attach किए, मैंने मेरी application फी उधर pay की. Literally, I can say transparently where is my application right now. And बाद में मेरे को Skype invitation आ गया for a interview. Interview होने के बाद interview का decision भी मुझे उधर ही पता चल गया. मेरा offer letter भी उधर ही आ गया, conditional offer letter. I paid my money through the same platform. Same platform. मतलब literally उधर जो 5,200 euros लिखा था. तो I just had उसने it auto converted to my IP because I was accessing from Bombay, India.
Right.
कितने lakh of rupees I have to pay. Very seamless experience, very smooth, butter smooth experience. वो पे हो गया at a less interest rate because if I would do a wire transfer that was costly compared to them because they have because the thing is it's more of बहुत सारे plugins है they use of different providers so that happened. उसके बाद मेरा final offer letter आ गया and onboarding session also happened कि भाई ये तारीख को I have to meet this person. Beautiful experience.
Yeah. Thanks a lot for coming. Thanks for giving us a chance. It really means a lot. If somebody, comes out of the blue and just says, see, this is something which I want to speak about.
No one invites us to invite them to our podcast.
Yeah. So it's very few times that it's few times showed हुआ ही नहीं हमारे साथ कि कोई nobody invited themselves saying, see Abhinav, I want to talk about these things with you and all that. But I think for that matter, we just want to thank a lot, for giving us a chance and
for the valuable information. I think it's going to be very helpful for a lot of people. I feel, especially.
I mean, what I can do, I can provide you the Dreamapply ka link, and also you can just put in the description. Yeah, description. Matlab, this is also for people just to have a research. What is this country?
Correct.
Right, then we'll wrap up today's podcast by
for sure
with Hardik's beautiful smile and
thanks much. It's been really informative for me. It's going to stay on your channel. So I mean, I just wanted to bring my thought out to mass, and I think today it's finally done with that. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, and we'll meet all our audience next week with a new episode.
Yeah. All right. And by the way, when are you going to upload this?
This is I'll stop the recording and then I'll tell you.
Yeah.